Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, I hope you're fine. So viewers, in this video I'm gonna show a different pebble art decoration ideas, pebble art vlogs, different beautiful wall decoration ideas, and it is very amazing and stylish. You can see, I hope you like it. You can see it is very beautiful. You can make easily at home for stone, different beautiful create stone art, and it is very amazing stone clock frame wall decoration ideas, and I hope you like it. And you like it, so please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. And you can see more videos, and press the bell icon, share your friends and family members. Viewers, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye, see you soon.